Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aquarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys. Let's see what is coming up, and I'll be giving your angel guidance message at last. So that will be how what we should do. That will be regarding what we should do, guys. So let's start the reading now. Okay. Pentacles, Knight of Swords, Tower, Cups. Aquarius, with these cards, I feel you're trying to defend yourself or your person today, guys. That is the energy here. Maybe they are into some kind of habits, and you are trying to protect them, uh, guard them, because you want this relationship with that person. You want what to say, a very content relationship. You are content in this relationship. That is why you are letting go of their what to say, some kind of habits they are having, addictions maybe, and you want to overlook all their mistakes to be with them, guys. That may be the energy here, Aquarius. You are happy how things are going, but certain things are happening which is not up to your expectation, but still you are trying to defend this person. Maybe that is a kind of energy here, guys. You are trying to, what to say, accept them however they are, but situation is not up to your expectation. That is the energy here. Few of you all may be planning to go away for work. Maybe you may take that as a chance to move away from this person. For few of you all, that may also be the energy here, guys. So you may, for few of you all, you may try to use that learning phase. Maybe you're going out somewhere as a time to reflect and think over this relationship, guys. So maybe that may be true for some of you all, but some of you all are standing by this person and accepting them however they are, and with all their mistakes and faults, and you are trying to protect them, guys. That is the kind of energy I'm getting here. So maybe it is somewhat immature on your part to, what to say, accept them however they are, guys. But you are thinking in your mind, you are reflecting about the situation, guys. uh, what to say, you are taking a very light-hearted decision. You feel that way, but that is the what to say, that is why you need time to think about this relationship, guys, because it is not up to your expectation, and you feel you're very light-hearted, you're taking it very easy. So you are thinking that you need time to get to a what to say, a solution in this situation, guys. So maybe for few of you all, you're defending. For few of you all, you're reflecting. you're thinking over this relationship, guys. So let us pick few more cards, guys. Let us see what is coming up, what is the situation, guys. Let us get clarity with more cards, Aquarius. This may be your energy or your person's energy, guys. So it works vice versa. Aquarius. Aquarius, with these cards, I feel you are in the, what to say, a brink of some decision. You don't know which way to go. Maybe this may be regarding the addictive behavior your person is having, or uh, some bad habits. Okay, so you feel somebody is trying to control you. Maybe your friends, family, whoever is trying to protect you, they may be giving lots of suggestions regarding this relationship, and you feel they are trying to control you in this relationship. They are making you decide on this relationship, but you are going to come to a clarity, guys. You are what to say, reaching that clarity very soon. So you will get to know what is the solution for your problems. Okay, so you may have a deeper understanding in this issue, and you may realize that your person um, will become responsible for some of you all. That is the energy here in the cards. So maybe they are turning a new leaf, they are changing themselves for you. That may also happen, guys. So that is the reason they are there with you. They are trying to change themselves, maybe, and they will see the truth in the situation, guys, because with these cards I feel the negative energy, this is the time for you to overcome all the negative energy, guys. That is the energy here, guys. And they may become very responsible, guys, or this may be your energy towards your person. Okay, you want to be responsible in this relationship, you want to make this relationship work, and you are taking the burden of this relationship on your shoulders to make it work. That is why you're defending your person, you're trying to correct them. Okay, maybe for some of you all it may be a karmic connection, guys, a karmic relationship. So you are unable to give up this person. You are taking the responsibility in the situation, you are giving them comfort, and what to say, you're helping them to overcome their suffering, and you're staying with them. So you are taking the responsibility, Aquarius, or this may be your person's energy. They are taking the responsibility in the situation, guys. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So your person is trying to defend you, or you are trying to defend them. So let us see what is the angel guidance message for us today, Aquarius. I'll be picking one card from this deck. So let us see what the angels are guiding us to do today. Be tolerant. With this card I feel, guys, every one of us have what to say, unique character, and So we act in a particular way based on how we learn from the past. We have a particular way to deal any situation. So whenever we are angry or sad, we react to a particular situation. So instead of reacting, we should be able to respond, guys. We should understand the other person in the situation. We should observe what is their feeling, what is their emotion. Then without giving up our own ideals and beliefs and what we want to say, we have to be, what to say, we have to respond instead of reacting, guys. So when we do that, when we take that impartial stance in any situation, it will help us to be uh, tolerant, to be patient in any situation, guys. So that is the message for you all, Aquarius. So in order to what to say, make your person see the truth, you have to be tolerant, guys. That is the energy for you all, Aquarius. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.